Here's how to fix TikTok not letting you like videos. Now, if you're on TikTok and you're watching a bunch of videos and you wanted to go through and like them, but it's just not working or it's not letting you do that, I'm going to walk you through some steps on why that might be and how to get it fixed. Now, I can open up this article. One thing that you might be running into is there is a limit in terms of how many videos you can like in one single day. And it says here 500 likes per day. So if you've been watching a bunch of videos and liking every single one, or if you went to a profile and liked every single video they created, then potentially you're running into this limit where you just can't like any more videos. You'll have to wait till the next day. However, if you're not running into that, maybe you haven't liked 500 videos, there are other steps you can go through as well. So let's tap on your profile at the bottom right. And you can see here drafts, all of your private stories, archives, any of your reposts. At the very right, you can see those little heart with the little I crossed out, meaning that nobody else can see my likes. So what you want to do is go into some of these videos and then just uncheck that heart. So do that for a couple of videos, tap on them and uncheck that heart. Basically just go through this process and unlike some videos. And then we'll tap on the home at the bottom left. And now let's try to like some videos. So go through the process of unliking some videos and then liking other videos. Sometimes this opens up or resets things and allows you to like new videos. Another thing I recommend is tap your profile at the bottom right and then tap those three lines at the top right. Now let's choose settings and privacy here. And then we'll just scroll down and tap on free up space. And then on here, you can see cache, downloads, and drafts. Let's clear out your cache and your downloads. This again helps to reset things in the app. I also recommend hopping out of here and going into your app store. And from there, we'll tap on search at the bottom right and we'll just search for TikTok. And hit on TikTok here, and then just right next to it, if you see the ability to update it, just update to the latest version because potentially there's some kind of bug or glitch not letting you like videos. Go throughout all of these processes, all of these steps, and you should be able to like any kind of videos that you're watching on TikTok. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.